Imagine a vast body of water, the fourth largest lake in the world, shrinking to less than 10% of its original size in just a few decades. Picture the Aral Sea, once a majestic jewel nestled between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, a lifeline supporting countless communities and ecosystems. In its heyday, the Aral Sea was a force to be reckoned with. Sprawling over 68,000 square kilometers, it was an oasis in a desert, a beacon of life amidst barren lands. But today, its grandeur is but a whisper of the past. The once mighty Aral Sea has been reduced to a fraction of its former glory, its shimmering waters replaced by expanses of barren, salt-crusted land. This rapid transformation is not a work of fiction, nor a result of natural disaster. It's a stark testament to the profound and lasting impacts of human activity. This isn't a horror story, but the chilling reality of the Aral Sea. How did this happen? The answer lies in a series of human-made disasters. The downfall began in the 1960s with the birth of grand irrigation projects. The Soviet government, in its quest for cotton and rice production, decided to divert the two significant rivers feeding the Aral Sea, the Amu Darya and the Sir Darya. These rivers, once the lifelines of the sea, were rerouted to quench the thirst of the vast arid fields. The sea was deprived of its life source, causing a rapid decrease in water level. As the water receded, the concentration of salt and minerals increased, making it inhospitable for marine life. Over the years, the sea that was once the fourth largest in the world started shrinking. It was a slow, painful process, like watching a giant being starved of its sustenance. The sea was left gasping for breath, its waters receding and life dying. The disappearance of the Aral Sea has had far-reaching impacts both on the environment and the local communities. The most visible consequence is the creation of the Aralkum Desert, a vast, barren expanse that was once a thriving aquatic ecosystem. With the sea's retreat, the rich biodiversity that thrived here has dwindled dramatically. Fish species that once teemed in these waters are now extinct, impacting not just the ecosystem but also the livelihood of local fishermen. But the consequences extend beyond the environmental. The exposed seabed, laden with toxic chemicals from former agriculture, has been whipped up by winds into dust storms. These storms have wreaked havoc on the health of the local communities, causing respiratory problems and other diseases. The disappearance of the Aral Sea isn't just a loss of a body of water, it's a loss of an ecosystem, a way of life, and a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of human actions on our environment. The tale of the Aral Sea is a grim one, but all is not lost. Indeed, the North Aral Sea paints a hopeful picture. It's a testament to the fact that nature's resilience can surprise us, even in the face of dire circumstances. Partial restoration is underway, an uphill battle, but one worth fighting. This progress serves as a reminder of the power of sustainable water management. It's a lesson in balance, a delicate dance between human need and environmental preservation. We must remember that our actions ripple through ecosystems, influencing the health of our planet. International cooperation, too, plays a vital role. In our interconnected world, the fate of one sea can reverberate across continents. A united front is our best defense against ecological catastrophe. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. Let's take this lesson to heart, learn more, spread the word, and let's work together to prevent the loss of our precious natural resources.